first thing that I see, it's some kind of envelope, says cloud massage. Wow, guys, warranty certificate. And yes, guys, a 1 year warranty. Super exciting. Very nice. And also, guys, it actually comes, they're thanking you for getting it. And yes, guys, let's see what's inside. How exciting. How exciting. Super exciting. Oops. Okay. Wow, look at that. Wow, okay, this is heavy. This is definitely a serious piece of equipment right there. Okay, guys, here's how it looks. Here's your cloud massager. Absolutely excited to turn it on and see how good it feels. And yes, it says, we made a special video for you to help you get into the most out of your brand new cloud massager. Oh, so definitely I'm going to watch the video later, not right now. But right now we are going to figure everything out. All right. Right, guys, looks like that's it in a box. And I already got the wire out. So I'm just going to move it out of the way. Everything. And yes, guys, so again, this is your foot massager. And okay, oh, and yes, guys, it actually comes with this lever, so you can release once you move it this way, and then you, so this is how you release, see, like this, so it depends which exact effect you would like, I guess. And yes, guys, look at the buttons. You can see all the buttons right here. It comes with on and off button, and then all these different functions that I have to still read about. So yes, let's see what we have in here. I hope the wire is long enough so I can actually reach the outlet. It doesn't look like it's super long, guys, but hopefully I'll find some kind of outlet in here. All right, okay. And oh, this one is long though. This is perfect. And yes, guys, I'm not going to read the manual just yet, but again, it kind of shows you which button means. Heat button, vibration button, intensity button, pressure from inflatable cuffs, modes button, different massage styles, rollers and pressure on and off, power button, heel cuff, heat foot. Oh wow, guys, there's actually more buttons that I thought it would be, so that's exciting. And I hope that it's going to be enough length for the wire. Super excited. Yes, guys, let's see. Absolutely love it. All right. Okay, I hope it's going to be enough length. So let's see. And yes, guys, so you basically, it comes with 2 wires like this. This is how you would connect. All right. And now I'm just going to push it in. All right, guys, it is in. And let's see how long it is. Oh my God, I think it's gonna be almost perfect, guys. Just almost perfect. Okay? Almost is not perfect, but it's better than not perfect at all. All right. So yes, guys, let's turn it on. Wow. Can you see? Oh my God, it squeezes, as you can see. And again, you can, oh, vibration. This is vibration. Vibration right here, right there, guys. Stopped. Oh, and then you can control your pressure. And also, guys, you can see, wow, Shiatsu points. There's also Shiatsu points there as well. Absolutely love our new cloud massager. Wow, guys, it's extremely powerful. It squeezes my leg, my hand, and I'm wondering, like, if it squeezes my foot, how hard would it be? So I should just put my feet in it and see. Right, so let's do that. And I'm actually going to direct the camera a little bit lower so you guys can see. All right, okay, turning it off, repositioning this lever. Okay, yes, and now I'm going to turn it on. Oops. This is quite pleasant, guys. Absolutely love it.